Y'all, oh my goodness, welcome back into my beautiful babes. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We want you to be part of this. And listen, some of my OGs momentarily lost me. So since we are back together again, I've got to share with y'all an updated hand care routine. Listen, y'all, I posted a nail picture and girl, I looked at my hands and I was like, what is the problem? I am a full-time grandma, so therefore my hands get washed all day long because I have to wash her hands. I'm wiping faces off. I'm cleaning up messes on the floor. The hands were going through, and I had to roll it back and get back to what I know, taking care of these hands that, listen, have done me good, because y'all know I use my hands a lot. Yes, I do. So let's get to it today. But I first want to start off with a product that I had always used for my feet, but as I was reading, it's great for the hands too. And that is the Fivona Urea 40% cream. And as you see, it says for feet, heels, and hands, baby. And it contains 2% salicylic acid. What? Why? How did I miss that? Okay. How did I miss that in my routine? And I know it was getting on my hands because I had to take care of my feet, but I wanted to devote it specifically feet and the hands. So that's what I have started doing to keep my hands moisturized and to also slow the way that crust that was on them, okay? That dryness that had built up over time, the skin, oh my goodness. So with that being said, y'all know the product that I finish off with. And we have a special treat. We will go back and handle these hands with an amazing DIY remedy. Let's get to the kitchen. Are your hands screaming for help? Dry, cracked, dull after all that hand sanitizer and harsh weather? Or like me, washing them 20 times a day because you're taking care of a little one? Girl, mine said SOS please. But good news, you don't need fancy creams or a spa appointment. I've got the ultimate DIY hydrating hand treatment using ingredients you probably already have. And after this, your hands will be soft and smooth. You'll want to show them off. All right, let's talk ingredients. This is the secret sauce right here. First up, honey, nature's humectant. It pulls moisture in like a magnet. We're using 2 tablespoons for that deep hydration. Next up, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. I'm going to use coconut oil. Both will help in locking in everything and softening your skin. Then aloe vera gel. Just 1 tablespoon is all you need. This will help soothe, cool, and help those fine lines look smoother. I don't have a fresh aloe vera plant today, but I'm going to use my Aloderma aloe vera gel. Perfect. Now you can add a teaspoon of lemon juice if you want to brighten the appearance of any age spots. This is totally optional. Now I'm leaving this portion out. I don't have any age spots or any spots on my hands that I need to clear up at this time, but I just wanted to let you know that. And finally, the final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal for gentle exfoliation and nourishment. Okay, now you're ready to combine everything in a bowl and stir until you get a smooth, luxurious paste. No special tools needed. A fork or a spoon does the job. Are you ready to apply this now? Okay, let's get to it. Apply it thick all over the hands. Just a thick layer over the hands, especially those rough patches. Don't be shy. Your hands deserve this moment. Now, it's time to just sit back for about 15 to 20 minutes. Put on some of your favorite sweet angel music, sip some tea, scroll on your phone, whatever your me time looks like. Okay? And the clock ticks. Okay? Now just rinse with lukewarm water, and baby, look at that glow. Your hands will feel ridiculously soft and hydrated. Now, as I told you, I am using my Vivona Urea 40% cream, but you can apply whatever hand cream you have on hand. For maximum softness, make sure you do this. Follow up with your favorite hand cream to seal in everything. Now, I need you to do this 2 to 3 times a week during the colder months to keep that radiance going. Now, are your hands feeling happy right now? If so, please hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more skin solutions coming your way.
You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at...
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? We back and we better than ever because we got these heads back in order again. Okay. Now you know. Now you know. Check it out. Everything will be listed in the description box. Please check that out. Don't ever skip the description box, babes. Don't ever skip the description box. That's where the goods are. And listen, even if you don't watch the whole video, check out the box down below, the description box. Yes. But anyway, I'm out of here. I will see y'all in the next one. Please make sure you tell a friend where you're hanging out at and why you looking so cute. Okay? Yes, please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. It's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a vintage bottle on God's own time. Lifting each other high.